What is up, guys? Welcome back to Mad DIY. It's your boy Dave, and today we're going to be doing some minor Nerf mods. I got the Nerf HammerShot Zombie Stripe. It's the one that comes, it's a 5-barrel. It has a total of 5 shots. So what we're going to do is we're going to just do a little minor mod to that where we're going to get ourselves some more shots. We need more than 5 shots, right? More than 5 shots. Also, I'm going to add a spacer to this. So I'm hoping the spacer mod is going to allow me to increase that shot by 20%. These are very simple, easy 3D prints. As you can see, my 3 printers are going. They've been going non-stop. Remember, I had the first one. That one was non-stop. I got the second one non-stop. The third one now non-stop. So yes, it's time to get some more 3D printers. So I'm looking at getting a large format printer. I said that before, but I'm really looking at getting that one this time, and probably another Flash Forge, just so I can keep those printers going. So let's see what we got here. Sorry for the noise. I know it's a little loud in here. I'm in the workshop. But anyway, here is the Zombie Strike. I'm going to take this bad boy out the package, and what I'm going to insert is this little itty bitty spacer. It's a very quick, easy 3D print. This is supposed to kick everything up by 20% so I can get more power. We'll judge it. We'll take a shot in the backyard, and then we'll pop the spacer in, and then we'll set the marker, of course, and we'll take another shot to see if this really works. Now, if it does, I'll put the file down there in the description. You can download it, give it a shot. You're just going to place this right before the spring. If you don't have a 3D printer, you can get these guys off eBay for a few bucks. Not pricey at all. Simple, easy, and well, I can't say easy. I never opened one of these up, but I'm assuming it's plastic. It's got to be easy, hopefully. And the next thing we have is we're going to replace this barrel. We don't want to just shoot 5 shots. So I have this one here. It's going to give us a total of 7 shots. I actually have a file that will allow you to do 8, but I figured, why push it? Let's go with the 7 first. So this is going to be the barrel replacement. This part here is just simply going to plug into the back of it, clean it up a little bit. I got to take this stuff off. This is just your brim for the print, hold everything in place, because I printed it just like this going up. So it's a 3-part print. This one took the longest. I think it was a few hours for this guy. This only took about maybe 15 minutes, and this was like maybe about 7 minutes. Let's go ahead. We're going to start with the spacer mod first, but before we do that, we're going to take this out and take that test shot and drop a flag. Okay, I'm on the back porch. I'm going to stand right here and fire straight out, and we'll mark it. We'll mark the first one with the red flag. After we put the spacer in, we'll mark it with the blue flag. Let's load it up. Wow, these actually shoot pretty far. Wow. Okay, I'm out. So you can see the distance there. On average, it falls about right there. I think I got a little lucky, a little bit of wind with that one. So I'm going to mark the flag right slightly in between the one there and those guys. So we're going to drop the flag right in the center. Drop the flag right there. Pick up the darts. Okay, if you flip your HammerShot over, here's all your screws. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I think, from what I can see. So we'll go ahead and start unscrewing all those, and it should open right up. Let's see. Okay, let's see if this will open up. Boom. Now, these few screws are still in, so I'm going to set it down just like that so I don't lose those. That's it. Wow, not bad at all. So where we're going to put that spacer, we're going to slide it right in here, and we're going to pull the spring back, slide the spacer in there, so the spring is going to hang down about that much, allowing that extra kick. Now I'm wondering what would happen if we put 2 spacers on there. It'll probably do something harsh there. But let's go ahead with the spacer we got and pop that guy on there. Just gonna lift this up, take the spring off, and take this and slide it right on there. Slide it up. This is so simple. Take the spring, slide it back in place, pop it in there, make sure everything is secure, and I think we're good to go. So before we replace this, we're going to test this spacer out and see if it's worth a few bucks for those who might have to buy it or those who want to take the time to print it. These things are super quick. So let's go ahead and put the gun back together. Okay, I'm back out here again. You can see the red flag. I'm going to drop the blue where this lands. Sprinklers decided to kick on, so we're going to race against that. So let's see. Yeah, it's definitely way more added power there. Except for that last one. Not sure what happened there, but you can see the range did definitely increase. I'll drop the flag and give you a visual. Drop it right in between. Now those sprinklers are coming on, but you can see the distance. So yes, I would definitely say probably a little bit more than 20% is what it's going to give you. Only one dart fell short. I'm not sure what happened there, but as you can see, it does exceed that one dart fell short. I guess I'll test it out one more time just to make sure. We should fall ahead of that blue flag and behind it, and hopefully that last dart doesn't go haywire again. Okay, you see one went a lot farther, still fell short. We're still exceeding the red flag. So yeah, definitely 2 thumbs up for that. Time to replace the barrel. We're gonna put the 7-cylinder in, take out this 5-shot cylinder and see what happens. So the barrel just slides right off. Now what we're gonna do is take our new part, gonna shove this in the back. There we go. Just pop it all the way in there. And get it a little more. Okay. So look roughly about the same distance. The barrel definitely looks bigger. Pop that right on there. Just make sure the old one fit the same way. Loose fit. Yep, loose fit. So that's on there. I think this needs to go down more. So let me bang that down because I'm not catching right there. Okay, I got it pushed down a little bit further. The other one broke. I hit it too hard, so I had to use my spare that was over there. That's why I always print spare mini parts. So let's go ahead and pop that guy on there and drop this in place. Pop it right in there. So it looks like we're good to go. Let's kind of test it out without going all the way. Yep. I think we're good to go. Let's screw it back together. Boom. One of my concerns was, is it going to stop on each of the 7 barrels? I figured since it's still configured for a 5-shot, it would actually stop in between. But let's go ahead and cock it back. Nice. 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 Now it is, but it seems like it's slightly off a little bit. Not sure if that's going to make a difference, but we'll see. So we are hitting each of the barrels. Nice. So we got 7 shots and the spacer. So now, final test. Let's drop some darts in this bad boy. So instead of 5, I got 7 now. Darts go in really nice. There, we got 7. Let's see what it does. Alright guys, I was like, how can I make this even better? Got a custom barrel on there. Makes it stand out so much more. So the 7 shots as you seen in the last video, 5 of them took off, 2 didn't, but I figured out what the problem was. The darts that I grabbed from the lawn that were wet from the sprinklers were a little drenched. They were sitting in there, so I did test it again. All 7 fired. This thing is hitting super hard with that spacer in there. I'm kind of tempted to add a spacer on top of that spacer to see what it could possibly do. I mean, I want to still keep it in a Nerf ram. Don't want to put out an eye, which that will probably do. Wear your goggles, safety first. So there you have it, a few simple Nerf mods for your HammerShot, the spacer, the cylinder replacement, also a nice little barrel to make it stand out even more. Really nice, I like it. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe, hit the subscribe button. We got a lot more cool things coming along this journey. It's your boy Dave, Mad DIY, signing out till next time. Peace.